for this nation to be protected from all the dangers that will come. That when natural calamities strike this region, through whatever forms of waters, floods, tsunamis, even earthquakes, whatever tragedy that will come upon the other nations in this region, God will spare and protect Philippines. And the angel of Philippines, when he stood on the land of the Philippines, he reminded me that, he said, you said by the Spirit this word, now tell them, for that to take place continually, they need to establish in 3 places 24-hour houses of prayer.
This thing is absolutely amazing.
The destruction is plain to see, but it will take time to calculate the loss of life.
The chief prince angel said, when he stepped into the land, when his feet touched the border of the nation of the Philippines, he said, when the people in Philippines pray, when the incense of prayer rises up before God's throne 24 hours a day, when the year of Jubilee begins in this land, and Jubilee is proclaimed in this land, angels will come down from heaven and they will surround the borders of Philippines, and the nation will be protected from every destruction that will come. And mourning and crying. You may see your nations burying the dead. You may even see some of your nations swallowed by the oceans, but you shall be spared, the apple of the eye of the Lord. If you will purpose to walk in the fear of God, if you will purpose to walk in the ways of God, you shall be spared. And you shall be lifted up as the apple of not only the Lord's eye, but as a light to the nations.